In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the header height in Shopify. Adjusting the header of your online store can be an effective way to personalize your website and enhance the overall aesthetic, potentially improving your customers' browsing experience. Whether you prefer a more compact design or a more expanded look, I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. First off, let's navigate to your Shopify site editor. Once you're there, turn your attention to the header section of your store. This is the topmost part of your website where elements like your logo and navigation menu typically reside. By clicking directly on the header area in the editor, you'll activate its settings, which will conveniently appear on the left side of your screen. Now, let's focus on the appearance section. This is where you can control the visual layout of your header. Within this section, there'll be an option specifically for adjusting the height of your header. You're given a couple of choices here. You can opt for a compact header, which condenses everything into a smaller, neater space. Alternatively, you can go with the standard size, which offers a bit more breathing room for your elements. It all depends on the feel you're aiming for on your website and how you believe your customers might best interact with your store. However, what if you're looking for a more custom fit? Perhaps the preset options aren't quite matching your vision. Well, not to worry, because there's a way to tweak your Shopify theme even further to get that perfect custom size. For this level of customization, you'll need to make a slight edit to the code. Don't be intimidated though. It's more straightforward than it sounds. At the top right of the left-hand panel in your editor, you'll notice a small icon featuring 3 dots. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Edit Code from this list. This action will open up the file structure of your theme in a new window. Here, you can manually adjust the code to implement a custom header height. By following these instructions, you can effortlessly tailor your header to align with your brand's style and ensure a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing look on your storefront. Don't forget to preview any changes you make before publishing them to ensure that your adjustments appear just as you envision. This could be the finishing touch your store needs to truly stand out and provide an inviting first impression to your visitors. With your header height adjusted, your Shopify store is now ready to present your products in a way that maintains your brand's identity while enhancing the user experience. Thanks for following along, and happy editing!